A champon. Anna, watch it. A champon. Bibia be kama. When you need Bastilla, Onya Oba. Say na young pono, Obiabri will be soon mobile. Sympathy marriage must be out of your life. Can I hear amen? Yana a man and mobile more worrying. It is when you're the door a big problem. Sympathy marriage. Medical catcher said never more time to ask a lot of questions. The second thing, I make one sem and son number how to choose a life partner. Don't base on features as love. You can say features are said your bema address it ne shirt or shirt me fe na hodi me fe obana so abone tire na me wu iyema me dey said your brown crown tintin ne kokotie na etire bi ekura no me de ne koma busua fia obi abehu sema ware bema ni munyamfo ye kan ni munyam anya ni mu atere wo eyesika she ye de anim tere na ware anka ne anka yenyenke benya bi kasa aserewa. When you look at Obama said your tear ni sika ona de ware no you are making a big mistake. One, ne tintin ne gramo na wodi gina ho a wo so pe no nyame ma ne masa ba the merit me dane wo share ne said your tie e na de ware ne ekoba se daachi bibia sia ma ne nsa ba ko ni ho a would you still love such a person? So love does not base on these things. It doesn't matter how handsome a man is. A combat me abamana phone. So when you love a man based on how he is, you are making a big mistake. On him dressing, yes, because of whisker. A kobasa mo wari yenesken wona dressing besesa. Because you don't know. So love does not base on these things. You must love from your heart. What do we need a true What did you be but mawakuma and kasanchero? Most of us we choose our life partners based on what we see. Bema ne banu obe pakene car. No we yin nancy from na ne say da car na no no ne need nkoma enu an na ekunu no na mpacho car na oton eh. Ya na ne metifia metimi dwene sa. Media brand oba. Wa mama kura 100 Ghana no mama 100. Minuanom dia obi anya 2020. Ebi na e bank loan o. Ebi a bank loan wa chi na odibo jesa. So when you go into, you see, when you are far away from something, how you see it is different. But when you get closer to it, it is a total different thing altogether. So you can marry somebody from afar. But when you go inside the marriage, you will see a totally different man. Etibama betumi di ni suban esie woba so many years in relationship, but the day you will get married, you will see the true identity of a man. Media da bia me kan wo de si ha wo homoma teteme wa hye me bo lady and obi abeje ne hye me hu so aba o eti se wogina de wodi wani hunu yeso na wode kwa ware a sister me hye wo bo wo be connect sa oba no a wahunu na nanantu akese na wuwu one ho no oba hips o di gina opa wutimi se no we de ayimfuchi ne ye ebi di da bi achi wo na wo ye oba no wutimi se wo de ende e flat foot hwe ye mema kura yetimi hu ya nyonko be ma metimi twamani hwena chale nyame bo nipa o ye mu bi di aso onwene ye eti oba bi o wa wo hunu a sister ewurade wo hunu wo nyonko ba bi na wo kofie no wadedi wo mpanimfo atem ofie se okobu nkotodwe pom cho because wa kachire wo shawo ba na nantu a wodi gino ne ne color ne ne dressing a bra ne so no ana me wa no sabi de agu ne busu ye na de afo ye wo ba bi wo wo asa this thing ebejo say pancake. Hey, me dear sister no de agu ne busu kra de me hu ana bibi ya ye me e de ne gu ho ade ye gu oyin so wo ware ne wi a wo benum amanajo wo num no na wo ba nsu num kasa ma mi bodondo nade wunya wo yankwa de eye father dia. So when you are looking at these things and what they worry no atiase say in 3 years ebejo true possible. If that was what you based on, and they worry oba no uhunu oba for front so and nufu door so obesa kodi nachi. Yes. Wo sha oba na ntu na they worry no wa bisa ho so betima bo ho ka akopim so bewu. Body ne general sa no ka o. Winim said you what to ne bu ase no no mojaduro awade enti. Kasama no mama nom. Eto nya ware hu wie pe waja mojaduro num kasama be fon. There are so many things that we followed and we were deceived. Also muchacho ya Emma etimi hye wo ho so said yo motia ade nyini duru ba 50 years and son and masesa no yi ma 100 awunya 8. Some of us we eat anyhow so we deform. We are younger here who pe kuninti na wo dress pa no. There are some of you who are we dressing ni nyina to atwa ya na me dwene ho a menti ase. O wari mpa na esa wo dress more no wo twama obi etimi aka say yes me sese gene mboate na ekono na nso ya ntumi anka ne sa na ye de wo tetade ya ne ya asem o obanyansafo na wari obi because of said ya wo hunu no so wote bisa wakoma said do I love him, do I love her? Mamen fan shaha sabe atopamba ko di gina o enti na wo gina so be meme wana mpacho wo ware ni wie na ewu a obede. You see, there are so many things we must think of before we get into marriage. What are your bases? Edia so na wo gina wo se wo do be ma no bisa wo sa question no edia so na wo gina wo se wo do ba no de wo gina so se wo de do ba no oba bi more than that than the open no. Love is not selective. Although you shimu, so was say one a medowa, oh we are fine open at yes. One set open is was one make easy. You see, although you're deep, it is a wood gina bibisu na wo de ko ware a ebesesa ana wo ba no awunu su onam kromo a wo ye neat pa na da bia wo so ye neat no ko ne fie ne ko hye ne dem ko hye ho. I'm telling you, be ma no ba wo nche perfume gugugu no sa ye mu bebre hu ye se hyen sa no bebre panta ase enye opa ya nya inspection. Yeah. I'm telling you, yeah. Dia wodi wani hunu no ye me bu be wo. Ade a wodi wani we hunu no e different from what is here. If a man cannot be neat internally, he can never be a good husband. And some make Kenya me bu but just say we are very intelligent. Sa wujina de bema adi ya ne ho. Ana da bia wo so onu nti na wo pe me de me guy no wo kra obi a wo so do no san friend guy. Esa wo mfa ne nya he. Me guy ni neat. Me guy no oye ni media me ni pie kura no mani age. Hey bra. Me emre bi atwam na mbɔ besi atontade o. Itimi bɔ besi na ba bi a wo kɔ no. Enye force na ye de kɔ ho. Timitimi kɔgi obi busia. Sa time atade ne bo ɔden kura na 20 Ghana. But nyame shiraw na onim said you see there are people they can use just 50 Ghana to buy dress top and down. Ombe shama ne ebeye fache obi a wato 300 Ghana dress. Bebreti ha na meboa. Obi so obeto atade a ne bo eye be 500 Ghana so shall still as obi ne pam chair no. Eti men nyina de wodi wani hu no so because what your eyes can see your heart can see far. Oba oyere ho ofa eye ukunu eye handsome o scare ye but yase se dachi ebetumi asesa etisanye woda. Do you know why so many women, married women, are going behind their husbands? When they were afar it was different, but when they got close it is a totally different thing. Se bema ema mahuna mane bema pese wo ma wo dono me bompa yesen ko bi ote bia nyame adom ubetimi atwen aware ansa na wo do ho akɔhye 16 mu bema betimi anonum nuro e dia satisfy wo ware ni wi a ka se 1 minute e true ana me boa sister me boa ade a me ka asa mo pretend mu a mo tie nyina so obi atwempana da se bema e pese wo te ka ne so a o first day enu wo bia si nyina obenom bi after 1 month no wo bom se na bibia san sesa ka se asesa so muchacho eni pa hu na mane o so wo gina bema hu odin a sabe empena chim wo hu ne yeso na wo de kɔware na me ka kyerɛ wo o ware wi office wanya wie nti bibia to atwa. Don't use your eyes in choosing a life partner. Use your heart. Awade bia ye de ani na ekoro ye de so ba fie. But ye de yakoma ewure mo no. Na dika ka wo yere ho ofa ye. But ho ofa ye mfa nkaware ye de suban. Wukunu ai ho ofa owo sika ye. But me obi owo sika nso woni mu nyansa wa wade mu. Ye de se ne sika nti wato wa firi wabusua ho. Woman be by mention what you can you imagine on any year I wedding? No, at me, I call for about for Frabbet and a few horse or one. And what 2 year in a free almost marital bedroom and what now called the boys' quarters. So, me be sent to almost chimpra when who sign be out with the Musa. A man is sensitive enough to see that this guy is fake. We think ododi esa obisa me my boyfriend boom me and me niaje wo dwan. My boyfriend or boom me and me niaje. Hey sister. Ani anka ukobo box anka ye. E ho de obenyeska ye bedu fusa. So marriage is not about beauty at all. It is attitude. Marriage is not about money alone. Money is important, but it is not everything. When you have peace in marriage, when there is no peace in your marriage, you amount 1,000 Ghana a day. You don't need money to become happy in marriage. You don't need beauty to become happy. Beauty is necessary. Money is necessary, but the most important thing is love. Odo. When you don't marry a compatible partner, it's a curse. Listen to this. Sabama eswopel onwari you. Na watumini waka swopel de bia be bosom yensa or the siusu no wate ase. Wa ma wosu amfana nkoni fie oni yere oni ba. Odo uko hotel. Ena wudi na chi seboriga kraman. And what do call that will tell one no die. Obeba be ware all right. Listen to it very carefully. Awade ande obeba we but onye wu need that. The mere fact say won ware ye na wutumi di wo ko hotel. Who pie kro fi so do obi ko hotel. Dwene hu mienu. Ada na be ma ware ye no ntimi mfa nko ne fie. Onware you but wono no amfo wa nko ba bi ote. Odwako ke wuo. Eti wo de oware wa sa dwene ni danetrim ne yere dress kura no opia ofi se oko hotel. Ni kunu pia ofi se said your dem nso ko hotel no. Odi obi nso ko. Se urade amamu eno ketwa na timi gu awade. So be very careful. Ana baby a wukunu hu wo de ware o baby a wo yire hu wo de ware o nso very important. Very, very important. A woman must be decent. A man must be decent. And your baby and a beautiful lady like you, men, a shad here. It is a club. And what do you want no kind or no worry? Ya, Tiasia say, club or Honan or Jenny say, that should be answered. Be a decent woman. So one don't base on a Niama would do any hono. Don't base on Niama what they was so say. A ma. Monam fofo na introduce mo ma mema foforo munye careful na ono no opasa nkofa ono bra we di obehwe oni ade ni nyina no enkosi hwe ma Kristo kwan na onchire wo de ye ema wa brabo ka amen. So the first thing, sympathy marriage must be out. Marry a man that you feel his pain. Marry a man that you feel everything about him. Marry a woman bibi a one who be an one so feel it utinka or one anijema when nije or woman. These are what we call compatibility. Next thing, don't marry somebody based on their woody when near who one home. Mawakuma bisawakuma say me too many beme yatena forever na. Into ba said the original saw them to the muntina person one. Obi to nyum channel, obi so who of a channel. It will buy no original yen say you were shirawa and no sister no woo no be bounce no but to a cool mouth day. So don't use your eyes in choosing a life partner, but use your heart. Oba na juman wo ye nti na wo de do no o ye juma bank. Me yere de o ye juma bank ti ase bank dan ne nyane dia. There are so many people on your bank, their salary is less than 1,000 Ghana. It's a notion of Wujina now, the awareness of that Muari and Yamabuko bank in Yanadia. So when you get married to such a person and money is not coming, Obaka say, Menumi home poswa wow, but one and yet or dona what they call it, bank in Intia. Bra Najuma way in Tia, but then you are dog. Ninianumin now broche dache. Me ware no a ye beba be fa ono nso kwaburuchira ma ebia na nye ne nuanom na ye na ne ma me nuanom etu ware na wura buhia no na be se na bra no onya buruchire ni ba enti na wonsusu nyina akawuti ye huna manio eti se wodi wani kɔ awade a wodi ni suo beba fie. Don't take decision in choosing a life partner without God. Without God, if you choose a life partner without God, the devil will give you what he wants. Everything that you ask, bisenyame answer. Bisenyame, compatibility, sympathy, marriage, all these things must be out of your life. Say edura na jona esu ankurofo su odem wotia awadefo. And can be very careful. Yeah, now so for me, TV, so radio, so as for my warrior, the most beautiful. I am telling you, there is no marriage in this world that confess in him. No marriage. Now the yenye nipa. When we nipa omoti ada consider. So when I'm talking to you, I'm talking with experience. To me catch your debi I said, so we never worry mu problem. And found call Roman father on one worry that. Father Mpacho, many may hear your problem. No one in be a friend. You say, wakofa buku kese bi ato no ahase kenkan. When your wife is insulting you because you love your wife, as Paul said, manage it. But we either see when you so da. Na Obama beka to say me either shiashu and so no beka say feel the pain, majibi. Because who won't say would do until what any one rabo no be. Life without experience has no basis. Don't marry somebody because of what he or she has. Ask your heart, do I love him? Love is important. And nijie wo wi ase nyina ne senka wo tia wade ase no wani age wo ni scam power so mbadwo oda obi dadan a empe wo so no empe si dem onyam packet wo but every day wo su wonya ya nanka ne boyfriend bi ananka ne ho kire no no one ne wo ho ne. Money is not everything. Love is the most important thing in the world. Memu obi mfasika na ada wo so no ebe hwe wonti no ate ase ne na kotena bisa wakoma me dogai no ana me dowura no. Do I love him? What is money? Sasumbio of fear, you can work and get money. Yourself, bisa me donwana enti sister ni shape nyina da che ni wa me donwana ye bis otuwa bisa one question. Don't waste somebody's time. Take a decision by asking God, who do I have to marry? Ya won krofo bebre sofo. Omo ware ye besi nne ene ya me no kase. Everything about them. We yan si we kwase a, we si we aboa. Sa enije bie ni bebia. In your life, man ye bibi ma be ma nyina so mfa no enware ho. Me can we ye si na ma kire how to choose a life partner na fe yaba. In 15 minutes I'll be done with the married couples now. Oba bi to me kasa be ma di ono na me wa no wa fake pregnancy. Tie sasemo yi. Oba ya anyema hye be ma no said ye be ye obewa no. Ewurade na apese oku won dem. So many of us at the eba ashebema me waware yen. Hello? Hello? Are you here at all? Yes. Men fake bibi mfa ma bema nware o. Bra manyem enti eso koye me ho ade. Bema ne nsom panim guase bia na adwuma bia wo yenti. Ebia na tibia bi owo mu nti ompese nanim guase na wahye ne ho e de akọwa o eda wo be wo se tim odo ona obie mu da say ni pan kran so bo ni dua enya no because in the first place wo da no ma ne ware ho. Don't cheap yourself. Men en cheapu ho ma be ma wow ma be ma no wanyima shebema ni ya force especially say niti anye yina your friend say odi software ni ade nyinsa ahye no chenchena wanya na nimbegu asenti sister software bokarate da o be wura de wati iya never fake or push somebody to marry you because of something. It's dangerous. But munim. No a sheda nyinsen no de ahye no. Se chinchina wa me. Enye bi kase me nye biem. Kan yi kase me nye biem. Again, men chantron chere be mama ne nware. Me fie eho na otumfo na konwa kura na si hey sister just what can be ama be ma na hu say ɛyɛ dena oba fie hɔ nneɛma bɛkɔ yie wodi adwawanu mu an da obɛware wo a obɛhu sɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛ ntoro no ɔdɔ 100% ɛka one da sereme. Let a man knows who you truly are. Odo. Ma bema nhunu said ya wotie. Media mabusham ye nibio. Me ana me gina hey. Odo. Enkoki kansem akese odo bia wo pese bema do wonti. No enkoki kansem anim nyina de a kyere bema. Oware nu oba. Ne won sanya no kora sister. Odo ne beti akosa kom. Na bema adwananum. Jananum sa media sika de ye fie de ye mfa nya hwe o. Unsu tu ewu da single room. Etu oware nu oba ne won se eniema nkose de na wo ka no a bra